You have so much in Barcelona to be proud of. Now, I know this is an international audience, but for those of you in Barcelona, you must be so proud of Pau Gasol winning the National Basketball Association championship for the Los Angeles Lakers. Now, I'm not so happy about that because I'm from Boston, where the Boston Celtics should have been the champions. But that's a great tribute to Barcelona. I understand you are also very proud here of your football team that beat Manchester United, and that there was great inspiration. I wrote a book called Confidence, which was not only about business success and turnarounds, but also about sports. So I know how important that inspirational leadership is that can make every player feel special, as though he has something magical to contribute. And I'm sure that that inspirational leadership is why your team won the European League Championships. And in fact, it's exactly that kind of inspirational leadership that makes innovation work in companies that are transforming themselves into forces for transforming the world.